Open the link on the registration email sent to you, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password on your received registration email. If you've forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and receive an email to reset your password. If you've not registered yet, kindly click the button to register now. Once you've signed in, the window will direct you to the main lobby, and this will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs on your dashboard's upper side without any hassle or long walks. Here in the auditorium, you'll attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies in this unique virtual exhibition hall. Even the booth looks realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box. At the information desk, type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only for speakers and moderators. Lastly, the Networking Lounge for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants.